Hello traders, welcome to my channel AM Trading Tips. In today's video, I'll be sharing an amazing tool called the Binary X Indicator. Along with that, I'll also take live trades based on the signals from this indicator and our proven trading rules. We'll see together if this indicator is effective for binary options trading. So, stay tuned till the end without skipping. You don't want to miss anything. For today's session, I'll use the MT4 platform to get indicator signals and the pocket option trading platform to place trades. If you're interested in trying these platforms, you can find the links in the video description. Risk warning. Trading binary options involves financial risk, and you could lose money. This video is for educational purposes only, and not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Always trade responsibly, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now let's understand how to use this indicator effectively. Only take trades in the direction of the trend. Avoid signals that go against the trend. If the indicator gives signals near a strong support resistance level, avoid the trade. If the price breaks out or the SNR is weak, you can take the trade. I'll explain this more during live trades. The candle time frame will be of 1 minute, and the trade expiry will be of 5 minutes. For the best results, trade during the European and US sessions. Avoid trading during major news events to reduce risk. Now that we know the rules, let's dive into live trading to see how the Binary X indicator performs in real time. Watch closely and take notes so you can use these strategies effectively in your own trades. If you're excited to try this indicator, you can get it from my Telegram channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future tips and tools. Let's get started with the live trading examples. Alright traders, the market is in a clear downtrend, and we've received sell signals from the Binary X indicator. The price has just broken through a support level, which is a strong signal for a sell trade. According to our strategy, this is a great opportunity for a 5-minute sell trade. Now let's wait for the result. If the trade was successful, that means our strategy worked perfectly in this scenario. Even if it didn't, we always analyze and learn from every trade. No strategy works 100% of the time, but by following proper rules and risk management, we can increase our success rate over the long run. Yes, this trade was successful. This is a great example of how following the trend and trading at the right breakout levels can increase your accuracy. Before we move to the next trade, key learning from this trade: always follow the trend to increase your chances of success. Confirm support and resistance breakouts before entering a trade. Stick to the 5-minute expiry as per our strategy. All right, traders, we've spotted another perfect trade setup. The market is still in a downtrend. The Binary X indicator has given us sell signals again. Most importantly, the price has just broken through a support level, just like our previous successful trade. Since all the conditions match our strategy, I've placed another 5-minute sell trade. Now let's wait for the result. Trade closed successfully. That's another winning trade following our simple strategy. This proves that when we stick to the strategy and trade with discipline, we can increase our chances of success. Why did this trade work? We followed the trend and didn't go against the market. We waited for a clear breakout at the support level. We used proper trade timing and expiry for accuracy. Trading isn't about winning every trade. It's about making smart, calculated decisions that work over time. Now that we've won 2 sell trades in a row, it's important to stay cautious and wait for the next perfect setup. If you're interested in trying the Binary X indicator, you can download it from my Telegram channel, link in the description. All right, traders, here's an important lesson. The market is in a downtrend. The Binary X indicator has given a buy signal. The price is in the middle of the support and resistance level. So, what should we do? Should we take a buy trade here? No, friends. According to our strategy, we should never trade against the trend. But to show you why, I've taken a buy trade as an example. And we lost this trade. Why did we lose? We traded against the trend, which lowers the probability of success. There was no strong confirmation. Price was in the middle of support and resistance, creating uncertainty. The indicator alone is not enough. We must always follow the full strategy. This is why sticking to the rules is so important. Every trade should have a strong reason behind it. Now let's move on and search for the next perfect trade setup. All right, traders. Here's another great trade setup. The market is in an uptrend. The binary X indicator has given a buy signal. There is a resistance level, but it's weak, meaning the price has a good chance of breaking through. So, according to our strategy, I've placed a buy trade with a 5-minute expiry. Now, let's wait for the result. And we won. Why did this trade work? We followed the trend. Buying in an uptrend increases success probability. We checked resistance. A weak resistance level allowed the price to move up. We followed our strategy. Confirmation and trend alignment gave us confidence in this trade. This is why sticking to a tested strategy is so important. If you follow the rules, you can improve your consistency in trading. I hope this video has been helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable content. Your support means a lot and helps me create even better videos for you. Also, share this video with your trading community so we can grow and learn together. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, the power to succeed is in your hands. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep moving forward.